Large-scale maintenance operations face a different level of complexity, managing hundreds of thousands of assets across global facilities, coordinating large workforces, and driving continuous improvement, all while maintaining the reliability that operations depend on. But most organizations are constrained by fragmented systems that can't keep pace with their scale, disconnected data, limited visibility across sites, tools that weren't built for this. Limble is made for organizations like yours. The power and scalability your operations demand, without sacrificing the intuitive experience your teams need to perform at their best. With Limble, technicians across every facility have immediate access to work orders, asset history, and step-by-step procedures, all from a single mobile interface. It drives real adoption across large, distributed teams. And when the platform gets used, the data gets captured, powering every insight, every decision, and every improvement that follows. Migrating a large-scale asset portfolio is a major undertaking, and Limble supports it every step of the way. A dedicated implementation team provides hands-on guidance through configuration, data migration, and go-live, so your asset register is structured, accurate, and operational from day one. Our team works alongside yours throughout, so nothing gets lost in transition. Once your portfolio is in Limble, every asset becomes a source of operational intelligence. Condition data, maintenance history, performance trends, and failure patterns, all centralized and accessible across your entire organization. The goal isn't just managing assets, it's using asset intelligence to reduce risk, optimize lifecycle costs, and improve reliability across every site. Limble supports condition-based and predictive maintenance strategies, integrating sensor data and operational thresholds to trigger work automatically based on asset health, not just time. Strategies defined at the organizational level, deployed consistently across every asset class and facility, standardized across sites, adaptable at the asset level. At this scale, resource allocation is a strategic function. Limble gives leaders the tools to align labor capacity, balance workloads, and prioritize work based on criticality and risk. With AI-driven scheduling across every location, inventory is fully integrated, enabling organizations to manage parts across multiple storerooms, track consumption against work orders, and forecast demand across their entire portfolio. Leaders at every level get real-time visibility with configurable KPIs, reliability metrics, cost tracking, and compliance reporting, from the plant floor to the executive level. Over 50,000 maintenance professionals across 85 countries rely on Limble to manage mission-critical operations at scale. Consistently top-rated for functionality, ease of use, and customer support. This is how the world's most demanding maintenance organizations operate at their highest level. Intelligent, scalable, built for what's next. This is Limble.